At the law office of William C. Mccaskill, are attorneys assistant injury victims in receiving financial compensation for the emotional, physical, and psychological damage caused by a serious accident or injury. Named one of the Super Lawyers Rising Stars, he's here to tell us more about his law office. Welcome.
Good morning.
Glad to have you here this morning. What can you tell us about your office and some of the injuries or types of law things that you see?
Okay. So my office handles personal injury, and personal injury is, as a result of other people's negligence. Now, personal injury includes things like auto accidents, incidents where people slip and fall, or possible wrongful death. So my office tries those cases in the civil courts of D.C. and Maryland.
So if a loved one gets in a serious accident, could they call you and you could help them out?
Most certainly. If a loved one gets in a serious accident, they can call me in my office, and we guide them through the whole process of dealing with the insurance companies, investigating the cause of the accident, and making sure that all the medical bills are paid and any financial compensation that's due to the loved one or their family is given to them.
So if there is a particular accident, what's the statute of limitations? How long do they wait? How long can they wait before they call you?
Okay, well, the statute of limitations in Maryland is 3 years. The statute of limitations in the District of Columbia is 3 years, and the statute of limitation in Virginia is 2 years. But of course, there's fine print. Some accidents, particularly those involving a government or a government agency, require particular notice requirements that must be met within a certain period of time, which supersede the statute of limitations. So it's important to call an attorney immediately so they can investigate, and you can know exactly what you're dealing with and your rights are protected.
So let's say that you do have an injury. Can the person that has the injury, can they trust the insurance company?
Well, you have two things about trusting an insurance company. Number one, the insurance company is in business to make money. They are not in the business of losing money or paying out money. Number two is not all insurance companies are the same. Some insurance companies are better at dealing with their insureds and a possible claimant than others. You don't want to find out the hard way which one you're dealing with.
Sure.
So it's important to get a lawyer to sort these things out and make sure you're treated fairly.
Okay, so I understand that you're helping with our sponsorship of the MLK parade. Can you tell us what that means to you?
Well, that means, particularly MLK, who is an alumnus of Morehouse College, which I'm also an alumni of Morehouse College, is important because he brought people together, and his message was to bring people together. I think it's important to realize, particularly in these times, to focus on our commonalities rather than our differences. I believe programs such as yours and MLK program here, I think they're important to remind us that we're all together and in this together.
Yeah, that's a great outlook, and you can watch the MLK parade live on News Channel 8. And where can we go to get more information about your law firm?
Well, to get more information on my law firm, you can always go to the web at www.pgcountyinjury.com. You can also call my office at 240-667-7702. And I'm also on Facebook, so you can also send me a message. I can friend you. We can have a connection that way as well.
Well, that's great information. Thank you so much, William, and we will have more Let's Talk Live right after the break. Stay with us.